And Dave's Cooking Show, we're going to do a drink as American as apple pie, and it is a mint julep. Now, in this glass, you can't really see it here, but I've got about 8 mint leaves at the bottom. They've kind of been, I've kind of been moving the ice around to crush them up a little bit, activate the mint leaves. Okay. Now, we're going to add about a half a shot of simple syrup. And we're going to do about 2 ounces of good bourbon. And when I say good bourbon, I mean good bourbon. Get some shit like this. Yeah, it's a little more expensive, but don't be a fucking bum. Don't get the Old Crow. And just because this is my recipe, so we got a shot and a half of bourbon. Now, right here, traditionally, this is where it stops. But I'm going to add just a hair, just a cunt hair, of a little bit of club soda. And this is Dave's Mint Julep. Delicious.